7/17/21. Gonna come out here and do some fishing / bow fishing. Tommy's over there on the point trying to catch a bass. I made a bet with Zero. First fish $1. He's all, yeah, but I got money on me. It's all right, I know you're good for it. Oh, wait a minute. You got a fish?
No, I'm not.
That scared me. I thought I was gonna lose $1. Good old Lake Isabella. It's super low. I got $1. Hey, hey, hey. First fish of the day. I got him. Show me the money. Skipping green water. There you go. You finally got one. You're on the board. Tommy still has to catch one. He's way over there on the point still. Hey, 2-2. But, okay, 2 to 1.5. What the hell is that? Hey, wait a minute. Hey, wait, okay, that looks better that way. I had it zoomed up. Okay, get it off the hook. Bitch. Oh, shit. Oh, I lost him. Every time I go to do something else. Look. Green catfish. It's a green catfish. Damn, Gina. Ooh. Hear that? Ooh. Like show that. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, look at him go. Look at him go. Oh, yeah. That's a nice green catfish, bro. Oh, look at that green catfish. Yeah. Three hours later. Keep doing that. Something's gonna happen. Faster, faster. Oh, 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 oh. What are you doing? Oh. I thought your battery died, but it broke.
What's that?
I thought your battery died.
Ah, the wood broke.
Oh. Well, come on, I'll rescue you.
And when it did, it chopped a little bit on the bottom before I got it shut off. I'm all right. Thanks for killing me, but
There you go, bud. Look who gave up. Well, looks like the youngsters are tired.
no.
And I'm $1 richer. Oh yeah. Hey, keep it. No, you keep that dollar. Give me my knocks. This kid's tired, I can tell. Oh, thank you.
Only 9 right there.
I need, oh, holding out on me, huh? Decided to come up to the Mighty Kern River. Doesn't look so mighty anymore. Bro, I think it's a female Sasquatch. Looks like. I'm guaranteed. She's fishing. Oh shit, I've been spotted. We gotta go, bro.